Hi guys, I'm here with the very large Pulloon digital picture frame, 15.6 inches, really super large, but it has also a lot of features. We have touch display, we have full 1080p resolution, and it does not only support pictures, it supports also videos, has an automatic rotation function depending on what you upload with the free app, which comes with this photo frame. And of course you can upload from everywhere, not only from home. You can also upload while you're on a vacation, and then people at home can watch the videos and photos directly. So super interesting. So I'm going to show you what's in the box and then how to set it up and how to use it. And so again we have the large box here also with some specs and description here in the back. It comes with free apps on Android Play Store, also on the Apple App Store. And what's really interesting is that it's supporting external storage device. A lot of such picture frames are not supporting that. But as far as I know, we have already a whopping 32 gigabytes built in. But let's see what we get here. And so I guess that's the frame itself. Everything nicely protected. Comes with a full-size manual, and the model type is PF156. So you can see quite detailed instructions, but doesn't mean that it has to be complicated. If the app is good, then usually it can be very easy. So we get the power supply and a bracket or stand. Yeah, a couple of mounts here and even some screws and hooks. And so here you can see the accessories in detail. We definitely have a VESA standard mounting bracket, really nice, and this stand, okay, comes already with some instructions directly on the picture frame. So they make it as easy as possible. So we remove that here. Beautiful shiny screen. And so you can see the mounting options in the back here, the VESA mount. And so we have this opening here on top, so we can mount it landscape on a wall or in portrait mode with this hole here, or we can use this stand, just push it here inside, then slide it up. So it's a really good solid stand. Yeah, looks really nice, like a normal picture. But if you don't need the frame, you can remove the frame. Actually, we have these lock mechanisms here, so you don't have to use it with the black frame. You can also use it just with the white frame. And very important, of course, down here, the ports. Here you have the SD card slot. It's not a micro SD card slot, it's an SD card slot, power port, normal USB-A for USB stick, which you can also use to just play what's on there. So let's hook it up to the power and see. Comes up with this nice logo. By the way, also good to see that we can pull the power supply or the power cable to the side, so we can really mount this close to a wall. And so you can see it's really automatically turning this thing around depending on how I'm holding it. It's a little bit tight here, but it's really automatically switching. And then of course we have to do the basic setup, like choosing the language. And then we choose a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi and provide the password. Okay, and then we can select the time zone. We can even opt in for auto sync date and time. Then we get some more instructions here. Explain the sharing mode with the QR code. Of course, we have to download the UHail app. Click on done. And so we are here already. We see QR code for the app, and it shows even the time and the weather forecast. We can go to the settings here. You can see we have really a lot. We can manage the photos, manage counts. We have different display settings, photo settings, notification, backup, restore, Wi-Fi, help, about. So we have a lot of options. Definitely everything what we need. And we can add friends directly from here. Of course, it's showing the QR code and a code, which I'm not going to show you here. But it's super easy, straightforward, and the screen is really nice. You can see, we can nicely see it from all the angles, from the side, up, down. So let's scan the QR code here directly on the screen, as easy as it gets. And this brings us directly to the App Store, where you can download and install it. Of course, very important to give all authorizations. What's really interesting that we have even a visitor login, but of course it's highly recommended to create an account for full functions. Yeah, definitely was super easy to set up the account with the email confirmation. Now we get more information how to connect to a frame. To send photos to a frame, please ask the owner of the frame for a code, and that's the thing here. So the owner just has to go here, provide the code, and then you can send images and videos. And so first we go to frames, and then we can either scan the QR code or enter the pairing code, which you get directly from here or from a friend if it's not your frame. And so this is exactly what I did. And so it took me just 2 seconds to add. I clicked here on scan and clicked here on show the code, scanned it, and the connection was done. And so we can either choose just single images, or we can long press and select multiple images. And so here we are with one of the absolute unique features of this frame, and that's that we can share up to 500 images and videos in one single step. That's way more than most other photo frames have, and I can tell you that's a huge advantage. I'm having already a smaller, older picture frame, and it allows only to share up to 10 images at once. And when I wanted to share 400 images from the last vacation, it took me long time, so that's much easier here. And so I've selected the pictures which I want to share, click on next. I select the frame. Of course, you can also be connected to multiple frames. Click on next again. Then we have even the choice to select the focus area for every picture individually, or we just send them. And now we can see the images are starting to show up automatically. I don't have to do anything. So I put this away, and you can see how nicely this looks. Absolutely amazing. So we can slide here either manually through the images, or we can just let it sit here for a while, and then the photo frame will start switching the images automatically based on your settings. By the way, for the videos, you can even choose the part of the video which you want to send. And so I've reduced the light a little bit and put the frame in an upright position. So you can see also the difference here. Absolutely amazing. By the way, that's the video. You can see it plays automatically. Yeah, really awesome quality, awesome functions. Works straight out of the box. Absolutely no problem. I didn't even have to read the instructions manual. It's so easy to use. So full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.